Numbers in Nature with Benny the Bear. Hello, little explorers. Welcome to the magical forest. Today we're going on an adventure with our friend Benny the Bear to discover numbers in nature. Are you ready to count with us? Let's go. Hi, friends. I'm Benny the Bear. Numbers are hiding all around us in trees, flowers, animals, everywhere. Let's find them together. Count with me. Benny says that is one tall tree. Look up. What do you see? That's one tall tree reaching for the sky. Can you say one? Let's all stretch our arms up like a tall tree. One tree gives us shade. One tree gives a home to little animals. One tree is very special. Two busy bees. Benny, looking at flowers. Buzz, buzz, I hear bees. Look, two busy bees collecting nectar. Let's count them together. 1, 2. Bees help flowers grow and keep nature healthy. Two buzzing friends hard at work. Benny flaps arms like bee wings. Let's buzz like a bee together. Bzzz. 3 chirping birds. Benny, looking at a branch. Listen, I hear little tweets. Look up, 3 colorful birds singing a happy song. Birds sing to say good morning to the world. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3 singing birds. Benny chirps playfully. Tweet, tweet. Can you sing like a bird? 4 fluttering butterflies. Benny, watching the sky. Wow, look at those beautiful wings. There are 4 butterflies dancing in the air. Butterflies help flowers bloom. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Benny flutters arms. Let's fly like butterflies. Flap your wings, friends. 5 funny frogs. Benny, at the pond. Rivet, rivet. I see 5 frogs jumping on lily pads. Frogs love water and help keep bugs away. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Benny crouches and jumps. Let's all jump like frogs together. Rivet. 6 sparkling stars. Now the sun is setting, but numbers are still here to see. Benny pointing to sky. Wow, look at the sky. 6 sparkling stars are twinkling just for us. Stars shine to guide little creatures home. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Benny smiling. Wow, we found so many numbers in nature today. Let's remember together. 1 tall tree, 2 busy bees, 3 chirping birds, 4 fluttering butterflies, 5 funny frogs, 6 sparkling stars. Nature is full of numbers waiting for you to find them every day. Keep counting, exploring, and having fun. Thanks for learning with Benny the Bear. See you next time for more adventures in the magical forest. This video was brought to you by Kids Funhouse Hub.